Hi guys, so my message me button video from last week needs a little bit of clarifying. It seems that you do not need to be subscribed to my channel in order to view/see the button. I myself tested that shortly after I posted the video, and it also was confirmed by others mentioning it to me. I went to somebody else's YouTube channel and that I was not subscribed to, and sure enough the button was there. So it depends on the settings of the channel owner, and also I believe the viewer. If the viewer is not logged in, I think that is the main reason people don't see it. If the viewer is just channel surfing YouTube without being actually logged in, you're not going to see that button. I think that is the biggest thing. I know that it's working for me now because shortly after the video I've gotten several private messages. Just like I mentioned before, people like to keep things private, don't want to post underneath the video, which is fine. But what gets me even more though is when I can't reply to their post because they still have their settings incorrect. I can read their message, but I can't click the reply button because their settings are set to private or they're blocked somehow. Again, I'm no YouTube expert. I've been doing this for 4 years or more now. But just like anything else, I don't check into anything and everything to do with, YouTube or cell phone, how to use it, computers. I'm no computer expert. I just use devices, as far as I need to use them. The button is also not available to see or access on mobile devices such as a cell phone or tablet, Android tablet, or iPad, whatever. So, as with anything with technology, stuff is always evolving. YouTube is changing their format of how the home page looks. Ever since Windows 10 came out, everybody's going towards that Windows 10 style of view, or to make everything look similar. So as things progress, maybe they will add the button to the mobile devices as well. Long story short, just an update that what I said last time isn't quite 100% correct. The little bit of info that I just mentioned now probably will help some, but it obviously doesn't cover everything else either. But like I said, I try, and as long as you guys watch and listen, obviously some of you guys did, you were able to message me after me explaining to you where the button is. If you still have problems, like I said, try to log in. If you're just surfing without being logged in, that's probably the main reason. And if I cannot reply to you because you have your settings wrong, don't get upset at me. I can't reply if I can't reply. If there's no reply button to push, I can't reply. Anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching.
Sorted.